The other day I was drawing and I realized that I only have 6 pages left in my sketchbook. And I thought it'd be fun to challenge myself and finish all 6 pages in a day. For the first 2 pages, I'm going to be drawing whatever comes to mind, mainly sticking to simple characters and simple shapes. Doing pages like these is always fun because I never know what I'm going to get. There's been plenty of times where I've done pages like this and ended up taking one of the characters and expanding on it. Either by turning it into a full-fledged character design, turning it into a sticker, or incorporating it into some cool illustration. After drawing all these, I decided to go through and add some color to the page. This is something I experiment with throughout my sketchbook. It's never anything too complicated. I just think it's kind of a fun way to make the pages feel a little bit more interesting. And after about an hour of drawing, we got these. A 2-page spread of some dudes. For these next 2 pages, I wanted to practice drawing from reference. When I do this, I usually pick references that either inspire me or that I want to learn from. So, for example, I picked this photo because this idea is awesome. It makes me want to make big masks or like large decorative head things. The reason that I like to draw art that inspires me is that I'm hoping to learn more about that piece. When I do a study of other people's work, it forces me to look at every single detail that they put into it. It's like I'm taking visual notes. I can look back at that piece and start to understand the details on another level. It really helps when getting inspired. For the next page, I ended up picking this heron as my photo reference. I've been really into birds lately, and I thought it'd be fun to start learning how to properly draw them. I have all these ideas for illustrations that involve birds, so it feels really good to start taking the steps to learn how to draw them. I'm hoping that by doing this study and doing more studies like it, I can gain the skills I need in order to make those illustrations really cool. I think out of all the drawings I've done so far today, this one is probably my favorite. After completing those studies, I only had 2 pages left in my sketchbook. I wanted to use these final 2 pages in a cool way, so I decided to create a drawing that would take up both pages. This drawing is such a cliche piece for me. I love drawing big characters interacting with tiny people. I love drawing characters with spiky heads, and I love drawing big, fluffy clouds like this. At this point, I was feeling really good about the drawing and decided to use some colored pencil again to add in some of those final touches. In the end, I wish I didn't add any color to it. I was actually a lot happier with the drawing when it was just in pencil. My sketchbook is for experimentation though, so I'm happy I tried it. Even though I'm not totally thrilled with the sketch, I do really like the drawing, and who knows, I might try to turn it into a larger illustration. Overall, I'm pretty happy with all these pages. I think each page is a really good example of the types of things that I enjoy drawing in my sketchbook, and I think doing this little 6-page sketchbook marathon was a really fun way to finish off the book. Thank you all so much for watching. I do plan on doing a sketchbook tour of this pretty soon, so keep an eye out for that. Like this video if you like it, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.